$10,000 a year from Donna D to Rasta Jackson.
Yes, Donna D, give thanks and play with time.
From the USA, this is 3,500 here.
From the USA.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, enough love,
Wow. I'm making a full necklace out of one set and a bracelet out of
What are these?
This is called Iron Pyrite, otherwise known as Fool's Gold.
Oh, Fool's Gold.
When the Spaniards first came to the Americas in search for gold, they came across pyrite. Thinking that it was gold, they dug up around 200 million metric tons of it.
Alright, so a donation of $10,000 a year from Donna D from New York.
Donna D, give thanks, and bless you. I hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome, I'm downtown Kingston. I'm looking for something. I cannot tell you what I'm looking for, because if I tell you what I'm looking for, you're gonna know what's gonna be happening. So I cannot tell you nothing right now, but I'm just looking for something I cannot tell you about. So hopefully I can find what I'm looking for. But I'm downtown, in a busy festive season.
Interconnected this Christmas. One home, one chip. Visit
Mark, what?
Comparable ways to win. Authorized under Section 53 of the Betting Gaming and Options Act. Promotion period.
Man, Papa! That's cool.
Electrolytes, vitamins, and no carbonation.
Where can I get ring lights? Orange tree. Orange tree, yes. Okay, I'll call you maybe in an hour or so. Thank you.
Alright, Mark don't have what I want, so I'm just gonna look more to see if I find what I want. Bless him, General. What you get out of? Two of them. Are you met them?
No,
How far you go?
Yeah, the marina them are 5 bills. Yeah, the cola them are 500. Yeah, the blacks them are 5 bills. Now it's you.
Hello,
Buy 2 jackets.
yeah, Mitch.
It's right over here, so.
Alright guys, so I didn't get what I want, so I'm gonna literally go to a different location, you know, downtown. The place is just busy as well, it's too busy, so I never get what I wanted, so I'm gonna go somewhere else to get it. But trust me, the place is hectic, crowded, so I'm just gonna try somewhere else. Well guys, so I'm back in Trenchtown. So I'm back, but I'm gonna head back out same way to go and try to look for what I'm gonna look for. So I'm just gonna give out 3 donations and then head out and then come back again, out again and then come back again. So we keep on moving. We keep on moving, yes guys. So blessed love to all. So we have 3 donations here I'm gonna give out. And we have Rasta Jackson. No, you know. Everything good. Just come out for the work. Whoa, you know?
Yes, man.
One, whoa. So you say one out and 1 2 hard. One
star, Jackson first star.
Yeah, one of the band star. So we have a donation for me still. 1 for Wow. We have 1 for Jackson. Oh, light parks are there though. I have 1. Yes, place miserable now.
Come like a joke thing, Jesus. I tell you, because we show the love, we still show it.
Nah, well, the love. Yeah. Alright. Well, I forgot to give them. You know what need to happen? And if a band with 2 heart.
Yeah, because that show more love.
Yes.
You can't stop the Christmas, you know.
Them a band with 1 heart. Wow, you have to find a way to make them band with 2 heart.
Tell them what I go on, you know. I want to get 2 hearts and I have to blessed by Jaja, you know.
Yeah.
Leave them up 1 heart and the next one.
Yeah. Alright, and wow, so alright, a donation for you here from Miss L from the USA. You know, Miss L from the USA. This is 3,500 here.
from the USA.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, enough love, you know. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, you know. Yeah, man. Right across the world, you know. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah, I know the New Year not come yet, you know, the Christmas now.
Yeah.
You see me? Only for blessing, enough love, you know. To them, you know.
New York.
New York, you know.
Manhattan.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Enough love, only for blessing, you see me I say?
Aye.
Yeah, because New York can't live without New York, I love you.
Aye. And we have one for Rasta Jackson. We have a donation from Dana D. Yes, Dana D. Wow, know the name there, the Dana.
Dana D, man. Enough love and hope for blessing, Dana. Yeah, man. What if you give a shout out, but I don't forget it, man. Then I'm here to see you, man. So, blessed love and a whole heap of time, yeah. Yeah,
man. Just bless Rasta Jackson for the Christmas seat, yeah. $10,000 a year from Dana D. to Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, Dana D. Give thanks and pray every time. That's the fire I bless and keep every time going out and coming. Every time more love, every time give thanks, every time thanks, every time more love. Every time.
Alright, so we'll give thanks. Yes. Alright, so we have one for Esther mom, for like how Esther mom asleep. That make Esther collect it. Right, so we have a donation for Esther mom, but her mother is sleeping, so we're gonna make Esther, well, the camera trust you. I'm know Sister June will read you up.
No, she go watch it, so
she go watch it, so yes, your mother's gonna watch it, so she have to see it. So I have 3,005 here from Sister Junie for Esther mom, from Miss L.
Miss L. Thanks, Miss L, on behalf of my mommy. She'd be very grateful for this. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes.
Alright. Younger than these. Not the older one.
The younger one.
Yeah. Alright then, guys. So we give thanks to Miss L, you know, for the donation. You know, and also Dana D. Dana D, I want to thank you so much as well. You know, thing I cannot stop thank you. So blessed love every time. So guys, I'm gonna head up back to get back where I'm supposed to go and get. You know. Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, said we more Dana D. Every time, love, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Every time,
yeah, man, right across the board, you know. Every time, team board, enough love. Blessed love
every time. You got clean every time.
Yes.
Blessing, extended family, love every time. Jackson sister and Walsh sister.
Pick up a nurse to them, you know.
Yes,
night nurse them, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Tell them so we love them with the Jesus.
Nurse them 2 arms in my heart, you know. Let's tell me the remedy, man. 2 arms, you know.
Yeah.
Pick up a night nurse them, you know.
Sunrise
team.
We love them every time. Yeah. Oliver and Carla, more love every time. Every time. Excellent one, more love every time. More love every time.
Every time I remember Jackson member, so enough love.
Every time.
Every time.
Drinking my spirulina. It builds me confidence. So spirulina CMAS. So you must drink up the good stuff then. So I'm in Crossroad, trying to go and find what I want. Look for what I want, you know. Oh, I'm a virgin. Kino, go on, Kino. Around saying there. Me, you know me attack. The big. Yeah. Need to go give him a check too. Crossroad empty, man. And downtown no stay, so downtown lively. Yeah. Up here, so deader than town, boy. No, but the one a smaller one.
No, but that's it. So the one that's still bigger. No, are they 2 pieces?
Alright guys, so we're in Azan. Inside Azan, trying to find what I'm looking for. You never know. Listen, it's not like I don't find it, but everywhere got different prices. So I'm trying to seek out the best price. So I've seen it, but trying to seek out the best price. So, can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what I'm looking for? Can you guess what I'm looking for? Tell me. So can you guys really guess what I'm looking for? Because I've never been sitting here walking up and down, say I'm looking for this, looking for that, but you're wondering what is Keenan looking for? Upstairs. Okay, so then say it's upstairs, you know. But I've seen couple, so I'm trying to justify with the best prices. So you know it goes when you're buying a shop around to see the best price and then work with it. Where you want to go upstairs? Oh, to your right. Christmas. Alright guys, so here what happened now. The best price is where I went with the last places I went to. The Azan price wasn't good, so we're gonna work with the price that I saw before and get that one, because the rest too much over. So work with that price.
I think it's a 4.5. I ate that.
So as a black bag I buy, you don't know what's inside the black bag. You just buy a black bag.
Black bag?
Yes, that's my wonder what I buy. I buy what's inside the black bag, guys, you know, so that's what I bought. What's inside the black bag. So what's inside the black bag is for me to go and use, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's what I bought. I bought something inside the black bag. As you can see, the black bag is there.
I've seen the black bag.
But
in the black bag.
yes, but something in the black bag. Yeah. So guys, I hope you can figure it out. Can you figure it out what's in the black bag? Alright, so you know the thing, I'm back in Trenchtown. You know, I'm gonna say, passing the black bag, figure it out. You know, that one of them figure it out. You know, but I know you will figure it out because you will see what happened. You know, maybe not today or tomorrow, but you will see. You will see. Someday I'm with Light Parks. I'm also have a donation as well for Light Parks. You know, from Dana D.
Dana D.
Yeah, Dana D. From New York.
Yeah.
You know, it's a donation for you. The car pass. Alright, so a donation of $10,000 a year from Dana D from New York.
Dana D, give thanks, you know, and bless you. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's when it comes. And bless up you and your family. Yeah, man, what a blessing. Give thanks for this donation. Yeah, man, and God bless you.
Yeah, man,
one team too, dream team, yeah. Big up all I do of them and everybody out there. Merry Christmas, more love.
Well, I hope Christmas is merry here in Trenchtown.
We have to try to make it merry, and try to make sure so we're safe at home. So everyone around is safe.
Sure,
yeah, man, and give thanks, man. Blessings.
So we give thanks to Dana D, you know, thank you so much for the donation for Light Parks and also for Rasta Jackson. You know, so big up on yourself to Miss L, we thank you so much as well. You know, blessed love and go and big up on yourself as usual. As I say, stay tuned. Bye. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. Well, this is the next day. I'm not even lying, it's a bright, sunny day. So bright, so nice. You know, so guys, thank you so much for your support. You know, and thank you for all your blessings. You know, thank you for everything that you have done. Yeah, man, so today you behave yourself, Chuck. Alright, guys, so today we have two guests. You know, we have two guests all the way from Paris. You know, literally we want to take them to, I think, Ivo Spice, or they want to go to the beach or the river. You know, so you're gonna see when we get there. You know what we're gonna do. So most likely they want to go to the river. So I'll probably just take them to the river, you know, because they've been watching my video for the longest while, you know, and the English is not so 100, you know, but texting is okay, you know, and they're all the way from Paris. Bonjour. Yeah, so they're from Paris, guys. So I'm gonna take them to Caymanas River, you know, and we'll go to a local. So I'll take them down there quick and fast because Caymanas River now is kind of different, you know, because, you know, this time in rivers, you know, at least we're not getting too much rain, you know, the rain's kind of subside. So we're literally getting some sun. So I'm going to take them down by Caymanas River. You know, down there is cool, you know, down there is nice. So that's where I'm going to head to, you know, and then back in Trenchtown. And then there's, I don't know how much of you guys know about this food, night market. The night market. Yes, it's a night market just off Hope Road, you know, which is, I want to go and check that out tonight because they sell all different types of food also, you know, so I want to make my way up there later on tonight to see what it's like in the night, you know, because it's called night market, you know, where they sell all different type of food, you know, souvenir stuff, you know, all different things. So it's like a Caribbean stuff. So I'm gonna check that out tonight when I get back as well too. Yes, guys, so thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, guys, I hope you put the thumbs up. If you reach this far, you know, watching, please remember to put the thumbs up while you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, it helps support the algorithm, you know, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, we're on the road to 100,000, you know, so let's do this. Let's do it. So guys, so yeah, so that is it. How you're gonna meet them soon, you know. One of them name is Naomi, you know. Yes, guys, they're also a fashion model as well too. They're both fashion model to do fashion model in Paris. Yes, so it is what it is, man. So you never know who's watching this program, you know. And then she said she's been watching me a long time, you know. She also watch D Mwangos as well too, and they like the way they see how I bring her on D, you know, take her around to the place. So they're coming for a bit of that fun, you know. So I'm gonna take her to feel what it's like to hang out with Kino Life in Jamaica for less part of the day. Yeah, so sure I'll go on. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, and I'm here with my guest all the way from Paris.
Hello, I'm from Paris.
Hello, and we have, tell them your name? Naomi. And we have Ronier.
I'm Captain. I'm from France.
Hey, so she's the captain of this ship.
Yay.
Her name Captain, you know. So we're gonna take them to Caymanas River, you know, for getting that river experience, because they've been to the beach, Bob Marley Beach, right? Yes, they've been to Bob Marley Beach. How was it? Like it?
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
So peaceful.
Peaceful, right?
Yeah.
Yes. How about the Jamaican food? You like it?
Yes, we really like the
Aki. Everyone likes the Aki and saltfish. Dumpling?
Dumpling.
Yeah, dumpling? No, rice.
What is it?
Dumpling.
It's the fruit.
Yeah, it's the flour. You know, flour? Like,
I don't know.
Okay, so you get rice. Aki and rice?
Yes.
Okay. You should try the dumpling. Dumpling is nice.
I want to try all the vegetables and the fruits here.
Yeah, you can try I should take it to Ivo Spice. Ivo Spice, Rasta place. They got Rasta food.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah, Rasta food.
We didn't taste the breadfruits yet.
Not yet?
What?
You've been here for what, 1 week?
Yes, but it's hard to find.
Oh.
No?
No, it's not. You get it.
But we don't know how to cook it.
Oh, well, find someone that cooks it already to the shop. I will show you Ivo Spice restaurant. It's got breadfruit, it got plantain, it's got aki, kalaloo, you name it. All the vegetables and the ground food, you know. So yes, guys, so we're gonna take them to Caymanas River, and then we're gonna head back after. So they've been watching us. She's been watching D Mwangos as well, right?
Yes.
She also watched D Mwangos channel, you know, big up D, you know, and she watched Kino Life in Jamaica, and we have the captain.
Yay.
Captain. Yeah man. She said yeah man. Say yeah man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man. Say wagwan.
Wagwan fam.
So wagwan fam.
Wagwan Basil.
Yeah, so that is it. So that is it.
That is it.
That is it. That is it, guys. That is it. So we on the move. So stay tuned. If you've never been to Caymanas River, you're gonna see it. You know, it's very nice out there, very relaxing, refurbished, and it's nice. You know, so we're gonna have a nice time. Show them a nice time here in Jamaica for today. You know, so hopefully then we can take them to Churchtown one of these days, right? See Bob Marley. See where Bob Marley is from. So here we go, guys. So we're on the journey. Oh, so you got TikTok, right?
Yes.
TikTok. Give your TikTok a shout out.
Actually, it's Captain.
Captain?
TikTok also, always Captain.
Just Captain?
Yep.
Okay, so that's like Captain, spell the Captain. So it's the same Captain, right?
Wow, I don't know if I can spell it. I'm bad at spell. C-A-P-T-A-E-N. Captain, like you.
I-N. Alright, that Captain.
Yeah, that's Captain.
That's easy to find.
Yeah, it is.
Very easy. So you can follow, you can check them out on TikTok.
Yeah.
They do a lot of videos on TikTok. Right, so let's see what they're doing on TikTok, right? So check out Captain and TikTok. You see both of them. You see Naomi. And you're a model, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Naomi is a model. Captain, you're a model too?
No.
No model, no.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm too small, I think. I do
Too
some
small?
photographs also, but not as a job, you know?
Oh, you think you're too small?
Yeah.
But you and Naomi are the same height, right?
No, I'm smaller.
You're smaller?
Yeah.
Oh, probably I was looking wrong then.
Yeah.
Okay, then we should still try.
Yeah,
right?
maybe.
Yeah, man.
I will.
How long you been doing modeling, Naomi?
3 years.
3 years. Okay, not bad. Like it?
Yes, I really enjoy it because I can travel, I can meet a lot of people,
Yeah.
and I can live in Paris. And I love.
You like Paris?
Yes, I love Paris because there is a lot of theater for culture. It's very interesting.
Yeah. You been to England?
Yes, I just found an agency there, and I love London.
Oh, yeah, London is my place. London?
Yeah?
London. Yeah, London is my place. I used to do fashion model, guys. Imagine that. I used to do fashion model. Right, Mummy? Remember? I used to do some fashion model way back in them time. You know, so it's nice though. It's good. You know, so welcome to Jamaica. Naomi. Mosquito? You like the mosquito? Been biting you, right?
Yeah.
Guys, these mosquitoes, no matter when you use the repellent, it won't stop them. These mosquitoes in Jamaica, they got bulletproof. You know, they got that bulletproof repellent, you know. So we're gonna make them have a nice time today. You know, so check out Captain and TikTok.
Yeah, man.
If you're a TikTok lover, go and check out Captain of Paris. You see, you have Captain of America, and she's Captain of Paris. Alright then, guys. So. Classic Jamaican donuts.
Yay.
One Prestige. Big up yourself. How much for it?
900.
900. Yeah. Big up, yeah?
Yes, you have the.
Hey, Prestige.
Should I have paid?
No problem.
Yeah, I guess.
So this is the classic Jamaican donuts. Call them Prestige.
Okay. That looks good.
Open it. Yeah, you can try. Jamaica. To the
There
table.
are 6 of them en plus.
Yeah, 6.
Yes.
6 of them. Jamaica.
Oh.
See? Look.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Shit.
She like to swear. Captain. How did it taste, Captain?
So good.
Good, right?
Yeah. It's very good.
Sure, local. That's not the foreign, this is a local.
What's inside?
Jam. That's the jam there.
Okay.
Taste it?
Ah.
You're gonna taste the jam inside.
Okay. Love it.
So jam of what you think? Jam which flavor?
Strawberry?
Oh yes, strawberry. Only in Jamaica you'll get those, nowhere else. Only in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, only in Jamaica.
Okay. So it was worth it to taste. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good to try Jamaican food. When you're in Jamaica, you try the Jamaican special, you know. Then you got the grater cakes, you got the peanuts. You try the peanuts?
Yeah.
I think, yeah. We try the porridge.
Porridge, cornmeal.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, nice. patty. Try patty?
Yeah.
That's
I think we almost tried everything except les fruits à grains là. Breadfruits?
breadfruit.
Yes.
Oh, that's the only thing you miss.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed the breadfruit. Fried breadfruit is so nice.
Yeah.
It's better fried? You think?
Yes. That's the best when it's fried. That's the toll road. So you see it said Caymanas River. Out through us that way.
First time we take the...
Yeah.
Out through us is that way.
Caymanas.
That's the name of the river, Caymanas River. Zungu 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 zay. You know that song?
Yay!
Hey, Captain, catch on quick. Mermaid. You're a mermaid, man.
I am.
Alright guys, so we left the river, you know, so let me turn this on 1 minute. We left the river guys because yeah, we had a little time, you know, it was raining also, and then you know music was playing, so I couldn't do much vlogging while I was there, but at least they were having fun swimming, right?
Yes, it's so relaxing.
Yeah, so they was having fun swimming and relaxing, you know, so the rain was kind of dewing. And the captain, she's a mermaid.
Yeah.
The captain is a mermaid, guys, you know, and Naomi. They are big swimmers. They've been swimming for a long time, right?
Yeah. Well, where we live, we have the sea. So basically, we used to go swim like every day in the summer. So yeah.
Okay.
Since we were little.
Okay. Alright, guys, they're a mermaid, man. Trust me. Yeah, so we have a little fun, you know. So I hope next time they'll enjoy more, right?
Yeah.
Next time.
Course.
So we're heading back downtown, you know. So first I'm going to make a stop to see Crystal Box, you know, and then we're going to see what's going to happen from there, guys. So just stay tuned, tuned. Alright guys, look who I run into. Look who I run into, the herbal man, Snagger. So Snagger just give me some roots here. It's a light.
You have to be clear.
Yeah man, I always can see it clear, man. So what's this Snagger just gave me here?
Well, this is the yellow represent cleansing of the body.
Yeah.
I go yellow clean the body.
Yellow clean the body.
Right, and this helps the body to recreate itself. So this one now, we have the red, green and gold. Yellow is the cleanser. The red or the blue is the energy booster, and the green is the blood builder.
So this is the red, green and gold, right?
Right, the red, green and gold. Blue represents red, because the blood is blue. And when the oxygen and air catch it, it turn red.
Yeah. All them say is green.
No, blue.
Blue. Alright. So I'm gonna try this. And the same thing. Yeah man, want a bulldozer man. Yeah. So this is the booster. For the rooster. This is the boost.
Yeah, it's nice to watch, man. Yeah.
So guys, so here's the bulldozer. Snaga, where you are? Everyone. He's the roots man here in Jamaica. Yeah. If you're sick and you want something for your body, he's got it. If you're feeling sick. Original. So these are the original, not the one that I was drinking earlier. This is the original one.
Even better.
Yeah. So it's not something to dance with, you know?
These are the mineral.
Yeah.
Mineral that keep you fit and physical and keep you from the burial and the funeral.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, life, you are what you eat. So if you eat garbage, you're gonna look like garbage. If you eat healthy food, you get healthy, because this is what life is all about. And as we say, I'm a herbalist, a scientist, a nutritionist, a psychiatrist, and also a naturopathic doctor.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. So you don't know when you wake up, snag a post, you hear it say?
Yeah.
Talk to the herbal man. Reason with the herbal man. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Some people, remember God is the healer and I'm the cleaner. I don't heal nobody. God is who heal and clean and build. I am just the advisor, the scientist, the nutritionist, and give you the mineral that keep you fit and physical. Okay? Alright. So you have to drink the bulldozer now.
Yeah, try the bulldozer.
Bulldozer is one, you know, it helps you get that energy that, you know, you're pushing down a mountain, you know, some woman will look strong.
Yeah. Ladies, you want to try the bulldozer?
Sure.
You want to try this? It's called the bulldozer.
Okay. Bulldozer.
It's give you stamina, give you energy and everything.
Okay. Better?
For detox, right?
No, not this one. The one for detox, those ones as well.
More sweet.
Yeah.
What is
So, here, relax the nerve, sex drive, strengthen the brain, stamina. Yes. Set up heart and muscle as well to strengthen the immune system. You know, immune system. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna drink mine. You know. Ready.
Stone cutter, beads, this one is cabochons, edge grinder.
These all stones.
Okay, now it makes sense.
It makes sense, right? All stones. All natural stones.
And we've got a license to work with conch shell. So, conch shell. Jamaica is the largest, well, it's the home of the largest amount of conch creatures in the world. And we got a license to upcycle, so we're making beads from scratch, because this machine only makes 4 to 8 millimeters, so anything larger than that we have to do by hand.
Okay.
So beads, cabs, all sorts of stuff for like earrings and whatnot.
Stones.
Some stones polishing over there.
Yeah. I know.
The room is cut stones, raw stones, pyrites, some other stuff. Yeah, it's kind of messy. I was really expecting.
No, that's wonderful.
You know, the last time someone's asking if you don't sell diamonds.
I do, however, the demand isn't that great, so I don't really go to my way for them. But if requested, I can get it sourced.
Sorry, yes. Because someone was asking if you don't do diamonds as well, because they say you do the golds and everything.
Yeah. These two pieces here are gold with diamonds. So this is 14 karat yellow gold with 1.5 carats of diamonds.
Oh, so this one got diamond.
Yeah. And this one is 18 karat white gold with 1.25 carats of diamonds.
Yeah. So this got diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. There's a diamond there. So this is the workstation.
Sulfuric acid.
Yeah.
So, familiar with jewelry or chemistry or?
Sorry?
Are you familiar with chemistry or jewelry?
No. I don't. Are you? No.
I cut the tigers out for a friend of mine. I'm going to set it into this ring later.
With glue?
No.
How do you...
You make a bezel wall. So this part here, the part that goes around the stone, is known as the bezel.
Okay.
So I'm going to basically fold the material slightly over it, and it's going to keep it in place.
Yeah.
I could also do a prong setting where you have like prongs that protrude up on the sides, and fold over, and that also can be used to.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so Matthew, when you give back out your number again, you know, because I know some of viewers them call me say they really like the work that you do, you know, and some of them say they come in to visit you soon as they get to Jamaica, you know, so.
Yeah, two people had reached out to me and made purchases, so you
Yeah.
me to some store credits.
Okay, you see, I'll give thanks. Thank you guys so much, you know, for come give the support, you know, thank you so much, you know, at least a show, you know, because it's worth it. And now we bring two lovely guests here to see what's going on here.
And we love it.
And they love it, right? Hey, see there? Can you see, Naomi got hers here, you know? So Matthew can tell if that's real or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell. Right, Matt, this one on her neck. No, he's gonna tell you.
Looks like kind of wants to look like green aventurine or amazonite.
Amazonite. It's real. Yeah, I remember.
Amazonite, yeah.
And the pearl, you can test the authenticity of a pearl by rubbing it on the surface of a tooth. If it's grainy, like sand, it's a genuine pearl. If it feels smooth, it's a synthetic pearl.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
You know. See, I tell you. Energy.
I've been collecting pearls for about 5 years now.
Okay.
This is some of my best ones, some black Tahitian pearls.
Wow.
From Singapore.
Wow. You like from oysters?
Yeah.
Okay.
But all my pearls have to be ethically sourced, so the oyster isn't harmed during the process of extracting the pearl.
Yeah.
So they have a method of using a bit of they basically just hold the oyster in a way where they're able to get inside without fully destroying it.
Okay.
And they're able to carefully remove the pearl without.
Okay. Which is a good thing.
Yeah, the oyster.
Okay.
So all of these are genuine pearls, which I need to go through.
Yeah, that's lovely.
And then I go through other pieces with same material. You ever heard of abalone?
No.
It's a crustacean that lives in Asia and Australia and some parts of South America.
Okay.
It's a bit tangled up, but I don't know if you can see. I made like a little
Shoes.
little slipper made out of the shell.
Okay. Wow.
And on the back is mother of pearl.
Lovely. Beautiful.
This is them.
Oh, okay. Abalone. Wow.
I'm making a full necklace out of one set and a bracelet out of
What are these?
This is called iron pyrite, otherwise known as fool's gold.
Oh, fool's gold.
When the Spaniards first came to the Americas in search for gold, they came across pyrite, thinking that it was gold. They dug up around 200 million metric tons of it, brought it back to Spain. Pyrite does not like heat, so when you try to melt it, it doesn't just melt; it actually explodes first.
Okay.
Killing off a whole bunch of people in the process and destroying the refinery.
Damn.
Thus, they gave the name Fool's Gold.
Okay,
Because of
makes sense.
how long and the amount of money that they had lost, lives and the 6 months long voyage.
Okay.
Wow. Because I always hear them talk about fool's gold. So finally I see the fool's gold for myself. It's heavy.
Hey, it looks like gold. Actually.
Yeah. It has a very similar atomic density as well.
Okay.
It's heavy as well, huh?
Yeah.
And they're in the last box downstairs.
Okay.
Heavy, right?
Yeah.
So imagine if you're digging up the ground and you see this, you're like, wow!
Yeah.
We find gold or something. You're like, yes,
Get rich.
I'm rich. You see this, you think you're rich. But no, you're not. You know. So some different ones.
Yeah, some specimens and clusters and such. Most of which I need to go through, cut and polish some more. I'm going up to the Tucson show in January.
Oh.
So I'm going to get more stuff and do some trading and whatnot.
Where's that? Argentina?
No, Tucson, Arizona.
Oh, Arizona. Okay, Arizona.
I found a really lovely selenite specimen a couple weeks ago. I'm planning on carrying it up with me.
Wow. Really. See, there are different lights in it, reflection.
Reflection, blue reflections.
That reflective blue is called labradorescence. The stone is called labradorite.
Okay.
This is local selenite.
You have it in France now?
Yeah, you can find it in France.
Yeah.
So I'm carrying this up to the gem show, hoping that I can trade it for some goodies that I can't get out here.
Oh. Wow.
This is coming up with me. The breasts are in the next crate that's downstairs. So
okay, yeah.
I'm gonna put these back.
The bracelets. All genuine stuff you get here.
Yeah?
Yeah, genuine.
Oh, you don't happen to have any coins?
Coins?
Yeah, any interesting coins? Discovered. This is the currency that they decided to use on the island once they landed.
When Jamaica did discover this coin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quote unquote discovered. Yeah. This is the currency that they decided to use while on the island. They only made about 2,000 of these coins, and there's only about 200 of them recorded to still exist.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so coins from Caribbean, Singapore, some parts of Europe, some parts of Africa.
Cool.
Yeah, I know about coins.
Some more stuff.
I'm gonna bring it for you next time. Yeah, I got a coin at home. Trust me, you like that one. Wow.
I mean,
get the bracelet, right?
I'm gonna go downstairs and
get
that for that.
Alright then.
From the island?
Yeah, I'm originally from St. Mary and I moved to Kingston when I was about 13. My parents
we're gonna go now.
Best seat.
Yeah. So Matthew, thank you so much, man.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Ladies?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. It was pleasure to discover.
Yeah. So
you do skateboard?
Yeah.
Cool.
About 12 years now.
Oh wow.
But this is my cruise. I haven't done like stunts in a while.
Okay.
Alright guys, so yes guys, so I brought them to to visit Matthew, because they see work that he done, and they're really interested, so they got something for themselves also.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so the only thing they support each other, so they saw the video and come and give him a support.
Especially the recovery and having
blessed love. So we're gonna head up to Kaya's, and then now we're gonna head to the night market to get some of that food. Yeah, I'm gonna go night market.
Okay.
Yeah, to go check that. What's his name? There's a Rasta man there at the Ital Food. Yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
So I want to go see him.
I used like when it just started, I was there every Tuesday night.
Okay, yeah, night market is nice. All different type of foods and everything. So I'm gonna go there tonight. Alright, Matthew, and take care.
Okay, thank you.
night market, but trust me, there is no parking on the street. We literally have to walk all the way, have to park all the way up the road to walk down the road to get some parking. You know, so it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna show you guys what the night market is like here. It's off Hope Road. You know, you get all different type of food. You're gonna have mixture of music. So hopefully I don't get any copyright. So you know it goes already. If you hear the instrumental, that means that music cannot play. You know, so that's how it goes. Let's take you there, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my general, big up, cool, man.
Hello.
Can I guys?
What is it?
Huh? Say wagwan. Got cars. There's no parking.
Very busy.
Yeah, very. I even wanna dance. I see you from now like you wanna dance. Let's go across here. Spicy doubles. Hey. Doubles, you ever tried doubles before?
No.
It's Trinidad doubles. I'm gonna let
Very good.
yeah, it's very good.
Very good. It's very nice.
I'm gonna, you wanna try? It's like, you wanna try Trinidad doubles?
What is it?
It's called beans with rotate, but it's really good.
Sure, why not?
I'll make you try, trust me, it's the best. Yes, hello.
That's lovely.
Yeah, because I love it so much. When I go to Trinidad, I eat so much.
Okay.
When I go, yeah. No, I was there this year, and I had so much doubles. So good. One each.
Oh, thank you.
Take one.
C'est pour toi, non? Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
You don't want?
There's mine there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. From Trinidad.
Yeah,
Thank
from
you.
Trinidad.
Okay.
Here's another one.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
So, how you eat it, you just like basically, yes, exactly like that. Okay. From Trinidad.
It's good.
Good, right? So, yeah,
Like a wrap.
you just hold it like this, sideways. Just eat it from the front.
What's in it?
Chickpeas,
Yeah.
tamarind sauce, and the shada bene sauce.
What? I love it.
Tamarind.
Bean. Les pois chiches?
You recognize something, right?
I don't know. Very, very good. Yeah, I love it.
I I love it. When I go to Trinidad, I eat so much. So here's mine, guys.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it. This is really
So nice.
I guess now we need to go to Trinidad.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is for real. Yeah.
In Trinidad, it's even much better than this.
Yeah.
So good in Trinidad. It's the #1 in Trinidad.
Yeah.
Double.
So how is it called again?
Doubles.
Plate number 6710HX. You're blocking. Please remove your vehicle. That's plate number 6710HX.
Right there.
Black Suzuki Swift. You're blocking. Please remove your vehicle.
Hello. That is lovely, wonderful.
What is that? Oh.
Okay, where is Italian? Give it a yeah, I'm going to give you a sticker. Give it a sticker on the journey.
So take card.
Yes, sir. I can't have this.
Yeah.
So happy.
Yeah, thank you. Let me see, which one is this? Okay. Yeah, they take card. Take card, right?
Alright, I'll check it. Here's your earring. Melissa, what's your name? Alright, Hillary, thank you so much. Check with me later, Hillary. I'll put it at the back for a little bit if it moves. Yes, Hillary. Hillary, come back to me, your brain power. I'll talk to you in a minute. Hi there, how can I support you?
I would like to purchase them.
Alright. Hillary, come back. Hillary, you know what, you must have come by the mechanism because you were leaving both the brain and the card. Hillary, you were leaving both the brain and the
battery is low.
Yeah, I got 30%. So it will work. So now, finally you get your breadfruit. You're gonna get your breadfruit. Finally.
So we have it in Martinique.
Okay. Okay.
It's my origin.
Yeah. Martinique.
But I never tasted because I don't know how to cook it.
Oh.
So
It's easy. You can boil it, or you can roast it.
you need to peel before.
Yeah. If you're gonna boil it, you peel it, and then put it in the boiling water.
Okay.
And if you want, you can roast it. You can roast on your stove, the gas stove, light the fire, and put it on it, you know.
What do you prefer?
I prefer roast and fry.
Fry, okay.
Yeah, I like the fry. So that one is roast, and then he's gonna fry it. So I like it that way. Roast and fry, roast and fry. Nice that way. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have some lovely vegan food right now. Right? Right now, man. Lovely vegan food, trust me. So Sun's Cafe.
Yes, I.
So trying the food last week make me have to come back, you get me?
Yes, I.
So this time I have a camera, I can give you a shout out.
Yeah, man, we name for the IG.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino.
Yeah.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, Kino
Yeah.
Life in Jamaica.
Alright, so big up the eye, official.
Yeah. Oh. You got natural juice as well.
Kind of the same.
Okay. So what kind of rice we have here today?
Alright, so that's a pumpkin fried rice.
Oh, pumpkin fried rice. You ever had that before? Pumpkin fried rice?
No.
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 Yeah. What kind of beans that?
It's curry lentil.
Oh, curry lentils. Curry lentils. So that's some curry lentils.
Indian style, you know?
Yeah.
So aki.
Aki.
And chickpea.
ackee and chickpeas.
Oh wow. Never taste that way.
Never taste that way, right? It's ackee and chickpeas. This is nice.
This is British pineapple.
No, this is this is pineapple barbecue chunks. So that's a pineapple barbecue chunks. Nice.
We don't do carbs or GMO or anything. We are like alkaline.
Yeah. Yeah. Ackee and chickpeas. That's the ackee and chickpeas there. This is barbecue, pineapple chunks. Pineapple chunks. Pumpkin fried rice. Lentils, yeah, that's breadfruit. That's curry lentils. Can you manage? Can you finish it?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Of course. Now you want to say, of course. Of course.
Nighttime food always.
Yeah, captain is steering the ship over there. So that's plantain. So guys, so this is what the night market is like each and every Tuesday. You know, open from 6 till about what time you guys close up? 12? 11. Yeah, so it's Christmas now, so it's gonna be until later. But usually 6 to 11 night market is open on a Tuesday. You know. So vegetable.
Excuse me, sir. What are you serving?
Oh, so it's a mixed combo.
So it's mixed meal combo. So this is pineapple chunk. 15 and
Oh, that's your life, save me.
yeah, man. Rare card.
Yeah.
Give me one more thing. Let me give her that one.
Active, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Give
Next one. Captain!
Thank you. Wow. This is absolutely lovely.
Just sit down there.
Thank you.
So, 3 grand, 4 or 5.
Yeah, you don't want another chair for borrow. Yeah, 2 minutes again.
I give it a change, you know.
Bon appetit. Barbecue, barbecue chunks. So, Aki is good, right? Aki and chickpeas.
Oh, okay.
Aki and chickpeas. Aki and chickpeas. Aki and chickpeas, so nice.
No way!
Breadfruit, finally. Right? So guys, so this is it. So you have the pumpkin fried rice, curry lentils, barbecue, pineapple chunks, ackee and chickpeas, and the breadfruit and vegetables. Trust me, so nice. So right now, guys, I'm going to enjoy and relax. So nice, so nice. Sun's Cafe up here, and I choose a night. Can't go wrong. So I want to know the name of the road. Fireman, they said, you know the name of that road out there? What is on here? Eh? Hillcrest.
Yes, Hillcrest.
Okay, so it's 8 Hillcrest. You know, that's off Hope Road. Right after you drive past Bob Marley Museum coming up, it's a right hand turn at the traffic light. It's 8 Hillcrest. Each and every Tuesday. You know? Night market where you get all the food, everything you can get. Wow, guys, that was lovely. I am stuck, I am full, I am out. Lovely. Naomi, how was your food?
It was amazing.
Captain, how was it?
Amazing. A bit spicy. It was cool.
Yeah, they can't manage the spice.
It's amazing.
But I don't feel the spice. You know, we used to the spice, you know, they don't.
I don't even know how to find it spicy. Like, my mouth was like on fire.
I used to it.
Yeah, of course.
So maybe that's the reason why. But at least we enjoyed it. Good food. The pineapple chunks, barbecue, that was so nice. You know, so it was good. They can sleep good tonight. I know they're having pineapple and ginger. You know, it's all natural, all good. Right? You're gonna sleep good tonight? Hope so. You're gonna sleep good tonight, man. Trust me. So it was a good long day today, you know. We're gonna sign it off, you know, went to river, you know, it was a nice day today. So blessed love, guys, blessed love. So we're here at the night market. So as you can see, people is here having food. Having food. So, no, not with her.
Yeah,
spicy.
I don't feel tired after eating.
Exactly.
Everyone. Instagram website and we are back on the Tuesday night breakfast at KNM.Jamaica on Instagram, at KNM.Jamaica on Instagram. Thursday night Tuesday night 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Here is Fifth Avenue. DJ Chris and DJ Chubby Rock in DJ Chubby, you gonna do a dummy rock. Alright, so I'm gonna call out this week again. Vin. We need this week. We want 4. We want 4 vendors to come and visit the DJ booth. We want to see who's interested in advertising what they have. You understand? Because you have to know all the people. So we're looking for 4 persons to come through all our
well, at least I can walk. So that is it for me for tonight. My belly is full. My belly is full. I eat the food, my belly is full. So I'm gonna go home to edit now. Bonjour. Comment ça va?
What's up?
Comment ça va? Wagwan fam.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit. What's that? Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.